Hello and welcome to this video. I am Tom van der Wege. I'm the Solutions Architect for Core Security in EMEA and Asia Pac. And today I'm going to talk to you about Wi-Fi attacking and how we do that within IMPACT. Now, so I'm going to show you first of all some access point discovery, and after that we're going to create a fake access point as well. Now, to do that we need hardware, some additional hardware. So for the access point discovery, I'm going to use a PCAP device. So these are made by Riverford. They're a USB device that you plug into your into the machine that you've got IMPACT installed on, and it will basically sniff wireless traffic. Now, for the fake access point, I'm going to use a Wi-Fi Pineapple, a Mark V, and this is basically a device that can send out information and basically acts as a wireless router. Now, to start, I'm going to modules and then to Wi-Fi, and here we can see information gathering and access point discovery. So I'm going to click that, and I'm basically all I'm going to do is select my PCAP device here. I'm going to leave the rest as default, click OK, and in a minute, hopefully in wireless, we should see some access points popping up. Also in the log file here, we can see exactly what Core IMPACT is doing. So we should see some traffic in a minute. Now here you can see it's finding some access points. And the good thing is here we can see also that it's actually organizing them by security method. So it's found WPA2. If it finds anything with WPA, it will be up here, and any web will be there, and then no security will be on top. So it's quite easy to differentiate. Also, you can see here the plus signs. So if I click on that, we can see there's actually devices attached to these. Devices attached to these access points. Have to be quick. There we go. And basically we'll let it scan for a bit, so to find out everything, and then I can show you how to crack these devices. So we can see it found access points with no security. Here it found access points with web, with WPA and WPA2. Now, to crack these, we can basically go to attack here and crack web. To crack that device, crack WPA, and crack WPA2. Okay. So in this case, I'm going to crack this router. So I could just drag and drop that over there. Select my PCAP device. So just a bit more detail about the attack. So with WPA and WPA2, it will basically capture the handshake, capture the hash, and then trying to brute force that. So with this, you need a dictionary. There's a dictionary within IMPACT, but obviously you can use your own dictionary file for that. With web, it works a bit different. Web we can basically crack due to its small encryption size and no key management and that sort of thing. So web will be fairly easy to crack. So I confirm that. It now basically will try to capture a handshake from that device. It will probably try to de-authenticate in a minute, try to basically kick some systems off the system. There we go. That's correct. So now basically we got this. We got access to this access point. Basically, we can basically join it now. There we go. We basically have joined that access point and basically have free internet now. Now I've started a new workspace where I'm going to show you the Wi-Fi pineapple attack. So basically my Wi-Fi pineapple is plugged in via a Ethernet cable, so I can basically log into it via this website. But I'm not going to do that because I'm going to do the test via Core Impact. So I'm going to put that aside. You're going to do the client attack and the fake access point. So I can either start the wizard or do or start the module. So let's start the wizard. So I'm going to select my Wi-Fi pineapple, and I know it's this device here because that's the network my Wi-Fi is on, or my pineapple is on. I'm going to set a SID, an ESID, so this is basically how my access point is going to be published. So I could, for example, call it free Wi-Fi. And the pineapple password, you can basically set that when you configure your pineapple. When you buy a pineapple, that comes with a little booklet. It tells you how to log in default, and then you can reset your password basically. Now, Karma attack I can do or not. So it asks me for a Karma attack or not. So a Karma attack basically will accept any connection and accept any password. So let's say I'm going home with my laptop. When I turn my laptop on, it automatically will connect to the router it normally connects to. But when there's a pineapple with a Karma attack enabled in the vicinity, it will try to give a response quicker than my usual router, and basically accept any password, and then basically I will be on the pineapple instead of my normal router. So then basically the pineapple is the man in the middle, and we can do lots of nasty attacks. But in this case, I'm not going to do that because I don't want anyone else that's in my vicinity to log into my pineapple. So I'm not going to enable that. So what I can do here is basically share an internet connection. So that means if anyone connects to my free Wi-Fi access point, they will still have internet via my normal internet card, my normal network card. So I basically select the device that is connected to the internet, which is this one. Now I can set some man-in-the-middle attacks up here. So for example, HTTP image replacement, client-side exploit injection, and so forth. But I can also do that afterwards. So I'm not actually going to select any of them. I'll just show you how you can do that afterwards. And basically finish that. That should now, if all is well, create an access point called free Wi-Fi. So here we are, there's my free Wi-Fi access point. So what I can do now, I've got a different machine here next to me, and I can basically try to log on to the free Wi-Fi access point. So let me refresh that machine. Oh, sorry, I've refreshed the. Let me refresh the wireless connections. There we go. So as you can see, I've connected 2 devices to my free Wi-Fi access point, and I should now also should be able to see them here. So we can see those 2 access points are basically here. So because we got some hosts connected here, we can basically perform man-in-the-middle attacks, where we, for example, do a HTTP client-side exploit injection. So that basically means we can So that basically means we can select the target. We can select a module here. So any of our modules, any exploit basically, and then we can have a URL filter. So basically, we can have a URL filter. So basically, when the user goes to that specific URL, the module will basically be executed. So I hope that was useful. Thank you for watching, and also look out for my other videos on this channel.